Welcome to another card tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this fast, quick and easy thank you card. And if you're watching this video within 2 weeks of its posting date, be sure to either like this post on my Instagram or leave a comment below to be entered to win this card for free. Check out the description box for details on the giveaway and how to enter. If you want to make this card yourself, here are all of the supplies that you'll need. The specific items that I used and colors are all linked in the description box below. The first step is to take your base paper or cardstock and your pencil and draw out the design. Once you have the design drawn out in pencil, switch over to a thin black pen. Here I'm using my favorite Faber-Castell pens, and this is in thickness or size F, and simply outline the lettering. Once you have everything outlined in black, switch over to your gold pen and simply color in everything. You could easily customize this design by switching over to another metallic color or another color completely. And once you have everything colored in, the card is essentially done. I ended up going back in and doing some touch-ups because I wanted to make kind of the outline and the black kind of really bold on this design. And when I had colored in some of the gold, you can't really see it here, but I'd gone over a few of the black lines. So I just went back in with the same black pen to kind of make those lines nice and crisp and thicken them up a little bit. And then also I had a few kind of pencil lines that were still visible. Again, the camera doesn't really pick them up very well. So I went in with an eraser and I just removed those. So once you've done any other final touch-ups, this simple thank you card is complete. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to enter this giveaway to win this card.